Hi, we're the Salas family, and these are moments from our round the world trip with our 2 kids. We spent some time in North and South America, made our way to Asia, and we're currently in northern Vietnam.
We've been staying in Hanoi, and now we're making our way to the coast because we are going to take an overnight cruise through Ha Long Bay.
We are up early and headed to Ha Long Bay, currently on a minibus, waiting to pick up more folks, but we are the first ones on this bus. How are you feeling about living on a cruise ship for a bit?
Kind of scared, but fun. Since it's my first time, but I bet it'll be awesome.
For transportation through the cruise company, so it was super smooth getting out there, even though it was 4 hours long and we had a break midway. And then we get there and there's this really lovely small cruise ship, so it's a very manageable size, and even better, the staff was so lovely and treated us like family.
Sienna, did you hear? They just told us we have the biggest room on the boat. Yes.
Staff orientation and a quick overview of the boat and the amenities there, we were then led back to our room, which was at the back end of the boat, and I had no idea, and I don't know if you actually knew before either, but we had the largest room in the boat. It's on the back end of the cruise ship, and with a 180 view, spectacular sights, of course.
All right, we're heading to our room. Excited because they told us we have the biggest room in the boat. Wow. It does smell so good. Wow. I'm coming, Seneca.
actually our very first cruise, and this cruise is built around excursions. It's not the type of cruise where you just like lounge on the boat. It's meant for you to get out and see and experience Ha Long Bay, which is actually really wonderful.
We just took a little boat from our cruise ship boat over to a cave. The cave is called the Surprise Cave in Vietnamese, and I apologize, I don't know how to say that in Vietnamese. Did you have fun in the cave?
Yes.
What did you learn about caves?
That snakes live in it, and spiders and beetles, and bats, and did I already say snakes?
You said snakes. Basically all of the creepy crawlies.
Ants too.
Ants, yeah.
And I know something else like that.
What?
How about rocks? The
Rocks.
dragon rock.
Dragon Rock. Okay, Sienna, where did you learn that this cave was? Where did it used to live before it lived on this beach?
It lived under the water.
It did, and then what happened?
It slowly shrinks up above of the water.
And there's where it is now.
Where's Seneca?
He's right over there. Where's Mama?
There they are.
Hi, Seneca! Whoa. I can hear him.
Did you hear Seneca?
Yeah.
I thought I heard him too.
He is so loud that you can like hear him from so far away.
Well, I think the water's so calm that I think the sound travels.
Hi, Seneca!
So right here we discovered, or Sienna discovered, that there is an amazing echo. Go for it.
Okay. Help me!
Where are we? Where's Papa?
Okay.
There's Papa!
I will, Papa!
There they are. Oh, you guys look so cute. Hi, Seneca, I love you. Keep massaging, Sienna. Flatten it out. Sienna's making.
And then you fold it again.
Yeah, that's good. And then you keep rolling it nice and tight.
There you go. Oh, it's the dinner menu.
So what would you like to eat?
It says for dinner, it's courses. Hold this down. So we start with bread with butter and garlic and pumpkin soup, and then we get a salad with oysters and shrimp with lemongrass, and then we get grilled fish with vegetables. And for dessert, we get cake with fruit. That sounds
Delicious!
delicious is a better word, yes.
Here.
Salud. Pumpkin soup.
Xin chào. Xin chào. Xin chào.
I will say Vietnam is very, very kid friendly. People have really taken to our kids. The views do not quit here. We really, really enjoyed it, especially the staff. I think they were the icing on all of this.
Yeah, absolutely. The staff was so caring and so gentle and so thoughtful with the kids. I really just felt like it was very family friendly, and it was only because of the staff.
They go above and beyond for kids, that's for sure. So if you're a little wary of bringing kids on the boat or what it might be like to go on a cruise, I would not be concerned with this company. And for the adults, they treated us like family too. So all around, a really wonderful experience.
Last meal on the boat. Nana's having pho. Keeping it lean, Solace. Keeping it dirty, Solace.
Looks like they're talking and we have to get off.
To Hanoi now, and then we have a layover before we get on our train.
And now we're heading back to Hanoi because we're gonna take a sleeper train down the coast of Vietnam.
We'll see you there.